Welcome to the Vantrue N5S Dashcam Quick Start Guide. Choosing the N5S 4-channel Ultra HD Dashcam provides full coverage of the front cabin, and rear of the vehicle. The N5S is an upgraded version of the N5, featuring Sony Starvis 2 sensors in all cameras for enhanced night vision. The rear camera has also been upgraded from 1080p to 2.5K resolution. The N5S records at 2.7K plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 2.5K 30 frames per second. Additionally, the N5S supports LTE remote monitoring, providing you with full vehicle HD security coverage wherever you are. Now, let me show you how to use the N5S. Open the box. Inside, you'll find the following accessories. These are required for initial setup. These are needed for installation. Device activation. First, attach the GPS mount to the dash cam. Insert the SD card. Plug one end of the data cable into the mount. Connect the other end to a stable power source. Once the dash cam is powered on, you can start the first-time activation setup. Select the appropriate language and choose the time zone for your region. Then, keep pressing OK to accept the default settings. The flicker frequency changes automatically according to your language and region settings. If you use the dash cam in another area, please reset the flicker frequency according to the new region and time zone. Inspection. Make sure the screen displays correctly. Connect the rear cable to the rear camera. Connect the other end to the dash cam. The screen simultaneously displays the rear camera view. Press the second button on the bottom left of the device to switch between different camera views. Installation and wiring. There are multiple recommended mounting locations for the dash cam. Please choose one based on local laws and your personal preferences. Here are 2 ways to install and route the wiring. The first method uses the car charger for power. With this connection, parking monitoring won't work after the car is off. For detailed installation steps, scan the QR code on the screen. Please save a screenshot. The second method uses a hardware kit for power. The hardware kit is sold separately as an optional accessory. This power connection supports parking mode even after the car is turned off. For detailed installation steps, scan the QR code on the screen. Please save a screenshot. Customization settings. Press the menu button on the far right of the device to enter the menu. Here, you can adjust recording settings, system settings, and browse files. After activating the dash cam, you can just use the system's default settings. For specific needs, adjust settings based on your habits, or contact customer support for assistance with the settings. Here, let me explain a few common options. First up is resolution selection. The resolution options are listed from highest to lowest. It's generally recommended to set it to the highest resolution. Once set, the resolution appears at the top left of the screen. Next is parking mode. To enable parking mode, you must first install the hardware kit. There are 4 parking mode settings available: collision detection, motion detection, low bitrate mode, low frame rate mode. Next, we have the voice control function. This feature can be enabled in the system settings. Voice content are the commands you say to control the device. Here, you need to memorize all these exact commands. Only by giving the correct commands will it work smoothly. With correct commands like take photo and turn off screen, the dash cam will react right away. But if you say the wrong command, such as take a picture, the dash cam won't respond at all. Lastly, let's talk about connecting the Vantrue app. Download the right version of the app for your phone. Once it's installed, turn on location services and Bluetooth on your phone. Say turn on Wi-Fi to the dash cam. Connect to the dash cam's Wi-Fi on your local network. The default password is 123456778. After connecting successfully, tap the file icon in the app interface, select the SD card folder, and select the file you want to view. Then, tap the download button below. After the download is complete, tap the sync button below to sync to your phone's photo album. Once syncing is done, you'll find the HD original files in your phone's photo album. Return to the app interface, click the settings icon at the top right. You can access all the dash cam settings here. This is the entire Vantrue N5S Quick Start Guide. For more information about dash cams, feel free to reach out to Vantrue customer support.